Now I'm working on an old ring. He had this ring for some time, and it's my job to bring it back to life the best way that I can, right? So, what am I going to do? I got a couple things that I start with, right? First, I will scrub it clean, all right? Now, I use non traditional measures, but this is what I do because I want to make sure that I can make this ring look presentable for my customer. Okay. All right. The first thing I like to do is scrub the coin. All right. But this is a coin, so I put it in the coin cleaner. This is for copper, gold, and silver because this is actual a coin. So I'm putting here for a couple seconds, about 10 seconds to be exact. Okay, while we doing that, this is my next coin ring that I'll be making, a 1958 quarter. And we know here, this is 90% silver. Got yourself a pocket ping. If you don't have one, get one. Checking that. This cleaner right here does pretty good. As you see right there, just from dipping that in there, get a nice clean on the outside. You see that? Just from dipping in there for a couple seconds. Okay. Now, one noticeable thing about this coin, before I start the cleaning, I put a silver plating around this coin ring when I finished it, okay? You can tell by like the white coat. So I'm gonna have to do some cleaning to get that off. And this is what I do. I take some soapy water and I start to scrub inside and out. Just like so. You want to clean this baby up. The wear and tear. And I thank Marshall for wearing my coin ring. He's been faithfully wearing this ring on a daily basis. And I gave him, let him know that, hey man, you got a lifetime of cleaning and fitting. So you can definitely use that, my friend. And anytime you want to send it in, you know, I can clean it up for you, polish it, steam it. I can even put liver or sulfur on there so you can see the detail on the ring.
A few moments later.
Steam that baby up. There we go. You want to make sure that you get it off and really get all the cleaning. Get it really clean. There we go. Thanks for sending the ring back to me and trusting me with your ring. And what this does here is clean it back up. So just like the first day you got it from me, I send it back with a cloth, and there you go.
Take pride in your stack and wear it. Johnson Toe is an American craftsman who could take your favorite coin design and create art that you'd be very proud to wear, and something very special to share. JT Coin Rings, handcrafts, handmade jewelry, especially for you.